Hi, today I'm going to show you how to clean the M1 screen. We are using this screen cleaner. I show you what it contains. It also has alcohol, not indicated for the screen, but we will use it because it's created for screens. We have a big cloth, smaller one. First we are going to apply some spray. Move the camera a bit away. This is just because if you have a small cloth like this, open it because it should be cleaner on this side. Spray it. Be careful not spray the laptop. Okay, now we are going to rotate the panel. We are going to set it in a vertical position like this. Drop the camera. Okay, we are going to turn the lights off on the screen. You can see how dirty it is. Let me just set it here. We're also going to use the big cloth, so open it because it's better to have it prepared. This should be to wipe the excess. So now just start with the wet one. Doesn't matter how you clean it. I prefer to rotate. Be more careful on the edges. Okay, the screen turned a bit on. Turn it back off. You want to see the dirt gone away. Also, don't try to push, just wipe the screen. Now going to try the clean one. As you see, this gets the circle motion works a lot better. Pretty glossy now. Just like a mirror. The cats are already on. Let's turn the light now. I say it's just perfect. Okay, decided to show you a more clear video. I realized that was too blurry. Move it more in the light. As you see, it should be like a glassy mirror. This is just perfect. Also, don't clean it too often. I like to clean it once, twice a year only, because it can damage the screen. And if, as I said, just leave a like to the video. Until next time.